Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade. If you're new here, a very warm welcome, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers, always come back. Thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is a little bit of a different one. I wanted to share with you something that I thought you might find useful. I know that a lot of you sort of pick up when I make YouTube videos, or if I'm over on Instagram about like weight loss and stuff like that. I did recently lose it's about 2.5 stone. If I say stone and a half, it's not, it's 2.5 stone. So I know I get quite a few questions on like how I do it, how did I stay consistent, stuff like this. So I wanted to share with you my 5 favorite YouTube videos that I've used, because I do not like to exercise. Like, I'm just gonna throw that one right out here. I know this is a video about exercise videos, but I don't like to exercise. If you're anything like me, the thought of exercise just fills you with dread. If I find it too much, I'm just no. Like Joe Wick's hit videos, they're supposed to make you, you know, feel really good. I leave there feeling really crap because I'm like, I can't do this. I hate it. I hate it. That was a really bad impression, but I'm something like that. And because I hate it so much, I don't want to do it and I dread doing it. But what I find is with these videos that I've been using, they don't have that same tedious effect on me because they don't feel like full force exercise, and they just feel like they feel manageable, so to speak. So if you're not like a gym bunny or a fitness fanatic who doesn't enjoy exercising, these feel really doable, and I like that about it. They're only like 15, 20, maybe half an hour, maybe 45 minutes is my favorite one, but it's worth it. But they don't feel like exercising, so it works. So I wanted to share with you these videos because I thought if you are looking to sort of try and keep fit or lose a bit of weight, staying consistent is obviously key, and I feel like with the use of these videos it is very easy to stay consistent because they don't feel like a task, so to speak. So I want to show you my 5 favorite videos. I think I've said that probably 12 times now, who knows. But instead of talking, I'm going to jump right into it with video number 1. What I am going to add is I've saved my absolute favorite YouTube exercise video till last. So if you want to see that one, which you're going to want to see it, you're going to have to hang out until the end. If you haven't already, then do please hit that subscribe button, as I would love to have you stick around anyway. But I'm going to jump right in with video number 1, which is not actually one that I do because it's one that I made. Don't worry, I did not try to be an exercise guru, nothing like that. This was one that I made because if you follow me over on Instagram, you'll probably see that most days I post on my stories that I'm hula hooping. Hula hooping is something that I have become to love. I didn't ever hate it. I enjoyed it from the minute I started it, but I absolutely love it. Like, it's my time to just put on my headphones for half an hour and I have a little dance party to myself, just me and my hoop, and I have a dance party, and it does not feel like exercise, not one bit. And I've seen the best results with it, honestly. Like, I swear by, I've told all my friends about hula hooping. I absolutely swear by it. I think you see results really quickly because I think it's because you obviously do it around your waist and stuff that it helps. This is what I personally feel and what I feel like I've seen in the mirror. It takes inches off your waist, like no word of a lie. You'll see it over the internet on forums and stuff like that as well. But once you try it and you stick to it consistently, obviously mixing with a balanced diet, you will see results like really fast. So what I did notice is once my viewers like over on YouTube noticed that I started to lose a little bit of weight, they started asking how am I doing it, and when I uploaded it over on Instagram, people were asking like how do you manage to hula hoop. So what I decided to do is I decided to make a video to show you sort of the first steps of hula hooping and how to get to grips with it. So that will be my first video that I'm uploading, because I think that if you want to jump onto the hula hoop wagon, you definitely wouldn't regret it. For my second video, it would be this 30-minute fat burning home workout by Body Project. Now, these videos I found extremely useful. I found they was like a stepping stone for me. So I used them, I would say, at the beginning stages of my weight loss, where I was starting to come into it and trying to build up my fitness, and my fitness level was probably rock bottom, and you know, trying to do anything too much made me just absolutely want to run away because it just felt too much and unbearable. So these ones I found, because they are for beginners and because they're low impact, it just didn't feel as intimidating to me, and it felt like this, I can do it. What I also loved is that he uses real people in the background, not like fitness fanatic gurus, which is nothing wrong with them, but I feel like if you're looking at a screen and it's got 3 people that you can't relate to in any way, shape or form, again, that's a bit of a pushback. Whereas when you're looking on the screen and you can see like somebody who more resembles you or a body like you have, it's like, well, actually they're doing it, I can do it. It feels more inviting and more enjoyable. So these videos I would definitely recommend because I feel like everybody of all levels can do it and they are not overbearing in the slightest. The third video that I want to share with you is a step aerobics video. Now, I absolutely loved this when I tried it. I borrowed my friend's like aerobics step that she gave me and I tried it out, and I mean, you need coordination, and I can assure you that I do not have any coordination, like none. a big fat 0. But still, it's fun, and obviously because you're still going, doesn't matter if you get the steps wrong, like, you know, you're in your sitting room, nobody can see you, and your heart is still pumping, and that's the main thing. So the first video I wanted to share with you is called Extreme Hip Hop with Melinda Beginner. So it's, the channel name is Elite Nutrition RVA. This video was really, really useful, the one that I used, because it's sort of, obviously it's a beginner lesson like it says, and it introduces all the steps to you, and it shows you them more like at a slower level, whereas the next one I wanted to tell you about takes it up about 5 notches. So this one is really good for if you're starting out. So you will need to step up, which you can buy on Amazon for about £15–20. Like I said, this is a beginning one. What I really, really love about it is it's not like just your usual, I don't know, aerobic step up video that might just be someone talking and a bit of like dancey techno-y music in the background. I like the music that they use with it. It just makes it all that more fun. So they use like hip hop in their ones, which, I don't know, it just brings a level of excitement about it, even if you're not really into hip hop. Like, I mean, I'm not overly into hip hop, but when I'm exercising, it's like, yeah, like this, I can get down to it. That is so uncool. Oh my God. Ah, that was nerdy. It just sounds a little bit more exciting than your usual, I don't know what you even call it, like, you know, just the normal gym beats that they use on gym tracks, which are just not interesting, and they sound like they're free downloads off a SoundCloud or something like that. So I definitely feel like the use of the hip hop music gives it a more funner twist to it. Now I want to show you another step video just because this one, like, the music is so fun on it and it's such a good laugh to do. It's called Beginner Step Aerobics Home Workout, and the channel name is Get Fit with DG. This one, the reason I didn't put this one first or as the only one is because there's no teaching of steps in it. They sort of just jump right into it, and they're quite fast when they do it. So if you're up for the challenge, you can jump right into that and learn on the video if you wanted to, or you could start with the beginning one first, learn that, and then move on to this one. But what I like with these sort of step aerobic hip hop ones is they're just so much fun. So again, it doesn't feel like you're doing exercise, and you don't have to, I mean, that one that I just showed you is like an hour-long video. You don't have to do that. You could just do 20 minutes if you wanted to, 10 minutes. You could do it by songs, because if they go through different songs, so you could stick around for 4 songs if you wanted to. You can just do what you're comfortable with or whatever you've got time for on that day. But I would definitely recommend them because they are so much fun to do, and I feel like because you're having fun while doing it, it just does not feel like exercises, but you do feel results. Now the fourth video I want to share with you is one that I've only recently discovered. I had some weights sitting upstairs for maybe about 2 years and I never used them, and I was like, right, do you know what, I feel like I want to, it's not so much about losing weight now, I want to like tone up a little bit more. I want to tone up, not more, there's no more in it. But so I typed in like to find out some good barbell workouts, and I came across this one. I'm really enjoying it because it's only 15 minutes, so it doesn't take up too much time. I can literally squeeze it in at the end of the night, even if I'm tired. I'm like, right, it's only 15 minutes, Jade, you've got this. And again, it just doesn't feel overwhelming or overbearing. It feels like something that's definitely achievable. So it's called Fiery Full Body Fat Burning Workout with Dumbbells, and then it's got in brackets knee friendly. Now I love that bit because there's no excessive jumping or anything like that. And again, that I feel like when I'm doing like lots of jumps or big movements, it's like, oh my God, stop already. So with it being knee friendly, there's no big jumps, nothing like that. Then there's no get up, get down fast. It just is nice and doable. So this is by a channel called Mr. and Mrs. Muscle. They've actually got quite a few videos. I've actually tried a few of theirs now since discovering this one, because what I like is they do some videos where it says on the thumbnail, no repeat exercises. So you'll do like a 20-minute workout and you don't do the same exercise twice, which again, for me, that helps, because sometimes when you've got to do sets of them, I'm like 4th set in and I just want to quit. Whereas when I don't know what's coming next, it's like I'm faced with it and I've got to do it, and then once I've done it, it's over. So yeah, I definitely find that channel useful. I will leave the link, like I said, to that particular video, but it might be worth going on their channel just to check out their other videos as well, because I think you would enjoy them. And for my 5th and final video that you've been waiting for, this is my hands down all-time fave exercise video on YouTube. Don't care, there's not another one that will even come near it. My lovely friend Nyanka introduced me, well, to most of my exercise videos on YouTube, but she introduced me to this one, and honestly, just the best. Best. Again, if you follow me over on Instagram, you may have seen that I've shared this a few times over on there. I don't know, I tried it once and I just absolutely loved it. So it's called Trap Cardio Full Video October 10th, because it was a live stream clearly, but the channel name is Trap Cardio, and when I tell you, if you try this, you will not regret it. Like, it's the most fun exercise I've ever done. I've tried Zumba and all that, which again, I feel like any sort of dance is fun, but this Trap Cardio makes you feel like a bad bee. Like, it's seriously so fun. You have to try it. Definitely doesn't feel like exercising, definitely leaves you sweating like 45 minutes in, and I think I usually burn about 450 calories in about 40 minutes, which is really good, I think, for me who doesn't like exercising. So this one is one that cannot be topped. The channel is called Trap Cardio, so she has loads of different videos on it. I will leave the link in the description box down below to the particular one that I first tried, but again, I've done loads of her videos since then and I equally love them all, but this will always have my heart because this is the one that won me over. Do not worry, like I know I just mentioned dancing, and for some people that might straight away put you off, but like the way I see it is you are in your four walls, nobody can see you. I can assure you right now, I don't want to, like, you know, insult myself too much and go I can't dance, but I definitely don't have no coordination. Like, let's not even beat around the bush. There is no coordination between these and those down there, none whatsoever, and I still do it and I still have so much fun doing it, and I still feel like when I'm doing it, I feel like I'm giving it, you know, I feel good about myself. So hands down, this is my #1 recommendation. Well, no, exercising on the whole, hula hooping is definitely my #1 recommendation, but for an exercise video, this is my #1 recommendation. You will not regret it. You will enjoy it so much. Like I said before, you don't have to do the whole video if you don't have time that day, or if you're finding it a little bit hard. Build up into it. Do like 20 minutes one day, the next 20 minutes the other day, you know, try and do it to 30 minutes. Just take it at your own pace, but definitely give it a go. You will absolutely love it. Even if you don't like listen to the music usually, even if it's a little bit out of your comfort zone, you have to give it a go once, because I'm pretty sure you'll be convinced, you'll be sold, and you'll be coming back and going to me, Jade, that was so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That is my 5 video recommendations that I've got for you that helped me stay consistent with, you know, being fit at home or exercising at home. If you have any questions, then do please feel free to put them in the comment box down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, then do please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help my channel. If you want any more like this or any other recommendations, then again, let me know and I'll be sure to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed it. And until the next video, take care and I'll see you then. Bye.